Welcome to Automatic Glass, your trusted channel for the latest reviews, insights, and updates from the world of cars and bikes. Today we focus on the much anticipated 2026 Honda CB750, a motorcycle that carries forward Honda's legendary legacy while adding a modern twist for today's riders. The CB series has always stood for balance between performance, style, and practicality, and the 2026 CB750 raises the bar by combining advanced engineering with a timeless appeal that makes it stand out on the road. The design of the new CB750 is sleek yet muscular, offering a strong street presence that reflects both sportiness and sophistication. Honda has kept the naked bike essence alive with a bold fuel tank, sharp LED headlamp, and aggressive stance. The frame has been optimized with lighter yet stronger materials, resulting in improved agility and stability. Every detail from the minimalist tail section to the aerodynamic bodywork has been crafted to enhance both function and style. This bike manages to feel modern while still echoing the heritage of the CB lineup. Performance has always been at the core of the CB series, and the 2026 model continues this tradition. The heart of the CB750 is a parallel twin engine with refined liquid cooling technology that ensures consistent power delivery and efficiency. Riders can expect impressive horsepower and torque that makes city commuting and highway cruising equally enjoyable. Honda has worked on making the throttle response smoother and the engine vibrations more controlled, offering a riding experience that feels effortless yet exciting. The 6-speed gearbox has been tuned for precise shifts, and the final drive ensures a balance between quick acceleration and comfortable long-distance cruising. In terms of technology, Honda has equipped the CB750 with a fully digital instrument cluster that provides clear information on speed, gear position, fuel efficiency, and riding modes. Multiple riding modes give riders flexibility to adjust performance based on road conditions, whether it is sporty riding, city commuting, or fuel-saving cruising. The bike also features ride-by-wire technology, traction control, and ABS as standard, making it not only powerful but also safe and reliable. Comfort has been carefully considered as well. The seat design provides a natural riding position suitable for long hours, while the suspension system has been upgraded with adjustable forks and rear shocks for better handling on varied road surfaces. Honda has also fine-tuned the braking system with dual front discs and a single rear disc that provides strong and confidence-inspiring stopping power. The 2026 CB750 also pays attention to fuel efficiency, ensuring that riders can enjoy long journeys without frequent refueling. Overall, the 2026 Honda CB750 is a perfect blend of tradition and innovation. It respects the heritage of the CB family while embracing modern technology, safety, and performance. Whether you are a new rider looking for a dependable machine or an enthusiast seeking a versatile motorcycle with character, the new CB